Hello, everyone, and I'm back after a brief hiatus. I was rolling out M365 CoPilot in one of the companies, and this series is all about it. We will see how to technically go about assigning those licenses, how to create those AD groups, and so on and so forth. Also, the most important aspect of change management, because I believe that is the key for M365 Copilot success within your organization. How to keep people motivated enough to use this product, how to help them with their prompts, and so on and so forth. We will also look into reporting, which I believe Microsoft should have done a better job consolidating all those reports. As of now, it is all over the place in Office 365 tenancy, how to consolidate those reports, and also how to customize them in case your company or senior management would like to have the report not based upon the divisions, but subdivisions or countries and sub-departments and so on and so forth, or even job profile, for example. How to customize those reports, how to get that data into your own Power BI template. Adjacent to the reporting, how to also go about revoking the license, because chances are you will not going to buy all the license for all the employees. You're not going to buy 20,000 licenses. There would be just a bucket of 5,000 licenses that you have. So how to identify who these key users would be, who would initially get these licenses, and if they're not using them, how to identify the users who are not using it and take those licenses away so that you can give it to someone. So that is all part of the first series. In the second series, we'll do some more developmenty kind of a work, create our own extensions. That's where the real technical fun is. So let's get started.